that's right, girl. Boy, this name is Kirk serving ass. Boy, they ain't about shit.
They some bitch ass niggas.
Man, fuck niggas get money. Fuck wrong with them.
They play y'all dummies to the left. Y'all might swallow that bullshit, but it's choking me to death. It seems if your father would've taught you better. Your mother tried to help, but your bitch ass wouldn't let her. You walking around with nothing in your name, attracting lame ass bitches with your weak ass game. No game, where have you been? And what have you did but seek out ready-made families to blend in with the kids? Niggas supposed to be hard, our heroes and champs, not sitting in welfare office collecting food stamps. You call yourself a man and you ain't harder than me. If that's hard with two balls, then bitch I got three. And you ain't fooling nobody with that fake ass swag. And you's a little too chummy with a neighborhood flag. Cause you the mark, a bitch, a pussy, poo nanny. You built up like a house of cards and bitch I'm a Sudan. That shit ain't hard. In fact, you soft as cotton. Your game is getting old. In fact, that shit is rotten. It only takes one or two to formulate a bitch who will have to lead in and not following. What the fuck is wrong with you? Is this nigga your daddy? Or you just fucking him? He's sticking dick all in your ass? Or you just sucking him? SMH, I'm just shaking my head. If don't nobody feed you, then I guess you won't get fed. Y'all niggas ain't ballin', just on a bunch of bullshit. Bet your sweet ass probably shit that Cool Whip, cry chocolate tears, and piss cherry pop. I bet you might even blow gummy bear snot. Nigga, you ain't ballin', revealing all your fake stunts. At least I didn't mention you've been wearing those Air Force Ones every day for 4 months. You surely is funny, talking shit with no house, no cars, or no money, no game, no skill, and nothing to think of. Trying to make a come up, selling nicks for dubs. Nigga, you is part-time, not an ounce of pimp blunt in you like a cheap-ass meal. You're not on the menu. Damn, you could've been cool if you'd have held it to yourself. But bitches like me can be bad for your health. So watch out for us and never shut your eyes. I do straight walk-ups, no bitch ass drive-bys. Grab who you want and let them run and see. Nigga, I'm a G, you couldn't pull a bitch on me. Now don't get mad because I know the truth hurts. If we were playing dress up, you choose the mini skirts. Maybe you need some help. I know you need a plan. It's never, never too late to learn to be a man. Well, nigga, it's on you and I ain't even trying to figure. All I know is I can't stand no bitch ass nigga. Niggas waiting on motherfucking bitches food stamp day. Nigga, what's wrong with you, man? Go get a motherfucking fire with your bitch ass.